How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix your YouTube dark theme not working. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your YouTube app, and then you have to click this U icon on the bottom right corner, and then you have to click the settings gear on the top right corner. Now you have to simply scroll through and find the general option and click it, and then you have to click this appearance option over here and choose dark theme over here. Now it's set to dark theme. Now go back and it's going to fix the issue. If it still doesn't fix your issue, just close the app, and then you have to go to settings on your iPhone, and then you have to click this general option, and then you have to scroll through and find this iPhone storage option and click it. Now find YouTube in this list. Click show all. Now once you find the YouTube app, click it, and then you have to click offload app and then reinstall it. If this still doesn't fix your issue, just try deleting the app by clicking it and then click remove app and then click delete app over here and delete the app and then reinstall it on the App Store. It's going to just install the latest version into your phone of YouTube, and it's going to automatically have that option, and you can choose the dark theme. Now you can also go to the App Store and search for YouTube app over here in the search bar, and then have to press search on the bottom right corner and then click the app and see for any updates and click update and then update the app, and it's going to fix the issue. Now just restart your iPhone by dragging this control center from the top right corner and click this power off option over here and just power off your phone and then just restart it, and it's going to fix the issue. And that's how you do it.